Okay. Another one is. I don't know. I'm watching you.
Top right.
All right. This time, you don't have to grip the gun so hard.
Okay.
You can relax your right hand like a lot. Relax that right hand, and then just hold on to it with your left. You don't have to kill it because it's only a 22.
Okay.
That'll slow down the shaking. You're just holding on too tight. Very nice. Perfect. Okay. You gotta take a deep breath, point it down range. Point the gun down range. The pistol, point it down range. There we go. Alright. I hear you.
I hear you, but I'm
And
not.
I'm looking at you.
I just zoomed in on that.
30 yards is 12 and a half. It's 37 and a half feet.
So 12 and a half yards, you said?
Just say 40 feet.
40 feet.
Just go with feet. I like feet better. So this time, when you're getting ready to press the trigger, fix your support hand grip. Let half your breath out. Hold it. Nice, steady, slow. Trigger press straight back. Nice and easy. Take your time.